We're right here in Rodeo Drive, the famous Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. I got intel from my friend's friend here that cops already shut down the location. They're protecting it. I don't blame them. It's a very expensive place. There's Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all kinds of stores in there, guys. But we're here right now in the famous Beverly Hills, California.
Sponsored by Gucci.
Yeah, this video is sponsored by Gucci. Cops ain't having it. They already got the Audi already. I wonder what they're telling him. That's a beautiful Audi, by the way, guys. Alright, guys, so cops have shut down Rodeo Drive, guys. They did not want the party to come here. This is where F-Spot usually located right here, guys. He likes to come here, and then he sees the supercars riding around, and then you get to see that one guy that gets all excited with the Lambos. How does he do it? Yeah, like that. And then he's like busting cum and shit.
Shout out to Lambo King.
Yeah, shout out to Lambo King. Yeah, right here, guys. This is the place right here. If you want to find them, you can find them right here, guys. Hey guys, so the people are right there. You can't go on car, but you have to go on foot. A lot of people are mobilizing. I'm pretty sure Daily Driven Exotics is in that pack with Alex Choi as well. Alright guys, so we got off on foot right now. So far, it looks a little dead right now, so we'll see what the whole hype is about this meet today. We're actually here in Rodeo Drive now. It's really beautiful. Alright guys, we got Lambo King SR right here in the back as well, guys. Hey, just be careful, because the cops are hot right now. What's up, buddy? We got Mr. Lambo King. We got the SR flick right here in the back. Ooh, love the color of that one right there. Loving the color of the Lambo.
Oh, the guy's like...
Oh my God, it's this guy! We got Lambo King shooting flames right here with all the cops. I don't know what this guy's saying. Hey, Lee, go. We got the cops over here calling in for reinforcement now. Woohoo! We got the cops calling in for backup already, just for little reps, guys. Typical Beverly Hills for you guys. We got Beverly Hills cop trying to come in right now that the SR pulled up. Hey! Uh-oh. Oh, what is that on top? Yo, what is that up there? What are the crater lead? Oh. We got the cops right here just making a bunch of reckless shit for no reason.
You know what? Every time SR pulls up, see that shit over there? SR, baby.
Every time.
Look who follows us. Look who follows us.
Every time.
Every
time.
Hey, bro, you gotta tie your shoes in front of him.
Oh, what's up, buddy? Woo! Been a minute, bro.
I know, bro.
Whoa.
Get out the alley. Start walking.
Whoa.
What's going on? You guys all want to go to jail for blocking the alley. Just keep doing it.
Where are you guys?
I'll start taking people to jail.
Back?
You're racist, bro.
I'll start taking people to jail.
In a parking spot is not blocking the alley.
Yeah, this guy's a lawyer.
I am your attorney. Hire me if you want.
Hire him.
Danny Thibs.
What's your Instagram? Because they're gonna need help.
Danny Thibs.
There you go.
H-I-B-S.
There you go. Right now, he's gonna go kick a police officer too.
Shotgun?
What's going on here?
Shut up. Get on the sidewalk.
I'm on the sidewalk.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I am.
You want a ticket?
Taking me for what? I'm a business lawsuit. Come at me. My dad's attorney. Come at you. Attorney, come at you with everything.
I said get on the sidewalk.
All right, I'm on the sidewalk.
Thank you.
You go do your job, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Were you on the sidewalk before? No, you weren't.
Mr. Public Servant, you may go do your job. Continue with your job.
You were
not on the sidewalk. I was walking, and then you just yelled, "Get on the sidewalk."
No, he has hair. He has hair. These cops have hair.
You have to get me.
Oh, he said go home.
Also half Arab.
Oh wow.
Sharmuta kos ummak ya haywan.
Whoa. I like that.
You want to go to... Hey,
What's up, Mr. Undercover? How you
should we
doing?
post? Everybody go to 6 way?
Yeah. Let's get out of here already.
Approximately 1 minute to stop. You guys right here, open it up. Start moving before we start riding thickets. Let's go. Yeah, 60 seconds to start moving.
I came in the bus.
Continue moving.
Oh hell no, 60 seconds.
Keep moving. Open up the sidewalk. Do it now. We will write citation.
Hey, Chupala! This is the guy that screams at all the Lambos.
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
Cali Cars.
There you go.
Nice to meet you.
We're with everybody, guys. We got the helicopter. We're just moving on right now, guys. It's actually pretty lit right now. Hey, I'm glad that out. It's something different. This is something you don't see every day, guys. The cops are coming right now, shutting it down, guys. We got the helicopter on top. It's just wild as hell right now, guys. Rodeo Drive, right there, look. Boom. Oh my God! There he is. I don't know what the hell he said. Hey, look at what you call.
Hey,
What?
who does this?
Only you, buddy, only you.
TV, join me, baby.
Straight from Canada, taking over LA, guys.
TV, join me.
They're blocking us from walking now, guys. Also, we can't walk anymore now? We can't even be walking nowadays? What the hell?
It's a trap.
What's going on with them?
What's up?
They're jaywalking, huh?
Oh, yeah,
No, those guys. The old guys. Damn. Oh, but us, we can't be here.
We can't. No, we can't. Look at that.
Yeah. I see.
Yo.
Rodeo. Making a thumbnail right now. We're gonna go up there. Uh-oh. Hey, we lit out here, guys. Look how packed it is. Oh, we could do whatever we want. Oh, do a flip. Oh, flip. Okay, so officer said we could do a flip. Let me see the flip. Show me the flip.
Try to stay out of the street.
That wasn't even a flip. Look at these people right here.
What's going on here? Are they gonna mug us? Are they gonna steal our glasses?
Look how beautiful he left this. This block has been officially blessed.